Sermon number 27. Exhorting people for jihad. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now then, surely jihad is one of the doors of paradise, which Allah has opened for his chief friends. It is the dress of piety and the protective armor of Allah and his trustworthy shield. Whoever abandons it, Allah covers him with the dress of disgrace and the clothes of distress. He is kicked with contempt and scorn, and his heart is veiled with screens of neglect. Truth is taken away from him because of missing jihad. He has to suffer ignominy and justice is denied to him. Beware. I called you, insistently, to fight these people night and day, secretly and openly, and exhorted you to attack them before they attacked you, because by Allah, no people have been attacked in the hearts of their houses. But they suffered disgrace, but you put it off to others and forsook it till destruction befell you and your cities were occupied. The horsemen of Banu Gamid have reached Anbar and killed Hassan ibn Hassan Bakri. They have removed your horsemen from the garrison. I have come to know that every one of them entered upon Muslim women and other women under protection of Islam and took away their ornaments from legs, arms, necks and ears. And no woman could resist it except by pronouncing the verse, "We are for Allah and to him we shall return." Then they got back laden with wealth without any wound or loss of life. If any Muslim dies of grief after all this, he is not to be blamed, but rather there is justification for him before me. How strange! How strange! By Allah, my heart sinks to see the unity of these people on their wrong and your dispersion from your right. Woe and grief befall you. You have become the target at which arrows are shot. You are being killed and you do not kill. You are being attacked but you do not attack. Allah is being disobeyed and you remain agreeable to it. When I ask you to move against them in summer, you say it is hot weather. Spare us till heat subsides from us. When I order you to march in winter, you say it is severely cold. Give us time till cold clears from us. These are just excuses for evading heat and cold, because if you run away from heat and cold, you would be, by Allah, running away, in a greater degree, from sword, war. Are you semblance of men, not men? Your intelligence is that of children and your wit is that of the occupants of the curtained canopies, women kept in seclusion from the outside world. I wish I had not seen you nor known you. By Allah, this acquaintance has brought about shame and resulted in repentance. May Allah fight you. You have filled my heart with pus and loaded my bosom with rage. You made me drink mouthful of grief one after the other. You shattered my counsel by disobeying and leaving me. So much so that Quraysh started saying that the son of Abi Talib is brave but does not know tactics of war. Allah bless them. Is any one of them more fierce in war and more older in it than I am? I rose for it although yet within 20s, and here I am, have crossed over 60, but one who is not obeyed can have no opinion.